Elevate your bath experience with this bath caddy from SereneLife. It is made out of 100% bamboo, it's waterproof and more resistant for long-lasting use. It has cutout grooves for wine glass, cups, and candle placement and is fully adjustable to fit any bathtubs because of its extendable slide-out arms. It holds smartphones, iPads, books, and it has removable side trays for all your snacks, candy, and more. It will make your bath experience so much more comfortable and fun. This tray is amazing quality, it's fully rust-proof, and is built to last with this dark brown lacquer co-designed for long-lasting protection. It also converts from a bathtub tray to a food tray for breakfast in bed. It has adjustable height and is large enough to fit breakfast, coffee, and fresh flowers for yourself or your loved one. And bonus points, it can also be used as a laptop tray if you need to get any work done. It will make a great addition to your home, or it will make a great gift for yourself or anyone in your life.